Big question I get all the freaking time. Marissa, what's the type of system that I can get involved in that's going to make me money the fastest and is the easiest to understand and everything like that? What's the best passive income program online today? You obviously, if you've looked up that keyword on YouTube, you already know how affiliate marketing works, and now you're just trying to narrow down what you want to maybe join, or maybe what you want to add to your arsenal of affiliate programs you're already with that can help you make more money. Now, if you're looking for like programs that have like physical products attached to them that you can become an affiliate marketer with, like becoming an Amazon affiliate or getting a part of some MLM that has, I don't know, sells freaking pens or something, this video isn't going to be for you. This is more so if you're looking to get involved, you know, like in a digital marketing type of program. I'm not gonna like say one program is better than the other. You know, you've got like MCA, Legendary Marketer, Wealthy Affiliate, you got the crypto, you know, affiliate marketing programs that are coming out now. You got My Econ, Earn Easy Commissions. I mean, I can like go on and on. There's so many. I've gotten to the point where I've realized, yeah, you basically can make money with any affiliate program the same way you would make money with a different affiliate program. Like, it's all the same in a sense. Like, you just get traffic, get good at that, and you will make money. For me, however, I do know that some things just convert better than others. And so I want to tell you what, in my opinion, basically what I like promoting right now the best that I see, just conversions for the type of traffic that I personally know how to drive, and also the types of traffic that like complete newbies drive that actually get conversions. Direct sales opportunities all day long. Been in an MLM before where you gotta pay monthly and other people have to pay monthly. I've been in the systems that are free to start with, and then there are upsells and you hope your traffic converts. But after what I've been experiencing the past 2.5 months, okay, direct sales opportunities or affiliate marketing offers are just hands down what I like to promote. I guess the next thing I could probably say that would come really close to like a direct sales affiliate offer would be like a CPA offer. That would be the other thing. So in my opinion, CPA offers and direct sales opportunities to me are just like the best affiliate marketing programs to promote. Especially if you're somebody watching this that's like a seasoned marketer, okay? If you already know how to get traffic, or you can send a certain amount of clicks to something, and you know, you've dealt with, you know, free opportunities trying to get them to work, or maybe, you know, you've messed around with MLMs and you can't stand the retention rates in those types of programs, and that is a real thing, by the way. Retention rate basically means, you know, you can join an MLM, and especially if it's like a monthly cost, you know, it's hard for people to get into affiliate programs that are monthly that you're promoting, and then making them stay in there for a long period of time. So a lot of times you have a lot of people come in there, they try it for a month or two, and then they quit. So you're always replacing people. CPA marketing and a direct sales type of opportunity is just like, when you get traffic and people buy, you get paid, like right then and there, you know, and there's no, now I guess the only downside would be there are some people that do want more of a residual income type of opportunity where, hey, you know, especially if you're somebody wanting to help people like I do, and you want to build a team. I know some marketers say, hey, look, if I'm going to put all this energy in like trying to help other people be successful, then I got to keep making money off this person. So sometimes if you're, and I understand that, I'm not saying that that's right or wrong, you know, if you're somebody with that mindset, maybe direct sales isn't something that you would like. I love the types of programs that just, once you set up some content that can be seen, you know, basically by anyone around the world, and it can run on autopilot like that, and you know, you've got a decent funnel set up, or the system itself has a really good funnel set up, I mean, if you already know how to drive traffic, like, it's going to get you money. And for you watching, if you're a newbie, don't let the fact that it seems like I'm talking more to the seasoned marketer, like, say, oh, this isn't for you, because direct sales opportunities, I think, are one of the best things a newbie can even get into when you say, okay, I want to try to do affiliate marketing. The only thing is with the newbie is you have to make sure you get into a program that actually has really good training on traffic generation strategies, because that's how this affiliate marketing stuff works. Really, basically any business for that matter, it's about getting people, right? I mean, you can't make money if you don't have people. You know, if you're somebody that, you know, isn't a people person and you want to make money online, and you're like, yeah, but I don't want to like get all these people. Well, I mean, that's how a business makes money. It's with people. So affiliate marketing is just being able to learn how to get people involved in your opportunity or service that you're promoting. So for me, hands down, there is this one direct sales opportunity that I've been seeing a few people crush it with for about 3 years. I didn't jump on it just because I was just really focused on CPA marketing at that time, and I don't know, was just procrastinating on it or something. And not so long ago, I finally took the jump because I was just seeing a guy. The guy I signed up under, his name is Garrett. I mean, just like completely I mean, he came out of nowhere. When I really experienced this first direct sales opportunity I'm going to talk about here really pop up for me, I mean, I was like, okay, I'm sticking with this. So it's really cool because I've been making money online now full-time since 2013, and I'm really starting to like see the things that I really like. I really know I like CPA marketing, and I really like direct sales. There is a link in my video description below if you want to check out a particular direct sales opportunity that I'm with. I like it because it's freaking cheap, it's fast, you get 100% instant commissions paid out to you straight out to a PayPal or a Stripe account. You have the options of picking 3 levels you want to start with. There's none of this like you get in it and then like there's all these 10,000 upsells in it. I mean, like, there's a few basic tools that they try to recommend, but I mean, like, they're optional. There's a $25, $50, or a $100 level you can choose from. I picked the pro level because it made the most sense to me. I actually talk about why it actually made the most sense to me in the link below in my description, so you want to check that out. Full video training is provided on literally like the top 5 platforms you want to be mastering getting traffic, okay? And even if you get in this and you just want to soak up the knowledge and apply it to like a different business, you can. When you get on the pro level, if you do, you don't have to, but if you do, you'll definitely be hearing from me and you'll get a way to reach out to me, and I will send you my bonus extra training page on how I get really good conversions in this thing, with really narrowing down the types of income producing actions you're supposed to be focusing on a daily basis. So again, the link's in my description below. I definitely think a direct sales opportunity is the way to go. If you don't like that, then I would recommend you find a good CPA offer to promote. I still do CPA marketing a little bit. I mean, that's another one where if you get really good at mastering not only traffic generation, but like content that's able to stick online for anybody to see for as long as it's basically up, whatever CPA offer you're with or whatever direct sales offer you're with, it will keep making money. I'm still making money off a CPA program that I started in like late 2016. It's just rolling on autopilot. So I see direct sales in that same way. So hey, you want to check it out, again, click the link and I'll show you what I freaking know.